Start speaking now. Time is up.
Right now, a woman is carefully selecting some fresh vegetables at a bustling outdoor market. First, I think she will finish filling her bag. Then, she is going to give the bag to the vendor to be weighed. The vendor will tell her the price, and the woman will probably pay for her vegetables with cash or a card. After she pays, she might see the other fresh produce on the table and decide to buy something else. For example, she could ask about the beets or the zucchini. If she is finished at this stall, she will likely say thank you and move on to the next one. She will probably continue walking through the market to see what else is available. After her shopping is done, she is going to go home with her fresh food. She will likely feel happy about her purchases and will be excited to cook a healthy meal.